explosion of foam. For this experiment, you need a large bowl, a glass, water, vinegar, food colouring, washing up liquid, a lolly stick, 2 tablespoons of bicarbonate of soda, and some measuring cups. To start with, place the glass into the large bowl and add half a cup or 125 millilitres of water. Now add a quarter of a cup or 60 millilitres of vinegar. Next, add a few drops of food colouring, then add a little washing up liquid and stir everything with the lolly stick. Now you are ready for the final step, so pay attention. Add all of the bicarbonate of soda in one go and watch what happens.